So hello everyone. Today we will be discussing right join. So if you see up my screen, so we have already reached up to a place like where we fetched up all the users name and all the accounts associated. So you are into a banking company and like there might be a case that there are some accounts which does not have any username or ID associated, which means that those account has been closed. So the company has deleted the username and ID. So this does not happen in real case. People do not delete the names and all, and like any data is never deleted. So we can say like no data is deleted in any company. All people like save up your data, will keep on piling them up for future use, for future analysis purpose. But just for an assumption, we can say that your company has deleted the employee ID, username and user ID for the users who have like closed up their account, and then like the user ID and username are null. As of now, we were using like just the inner join. So now let us discuss like what exactly is right join and like how we use it. Right join is something like in which we get the intersect amount and the right table data, all of the right table data, right? So now the scenario comes like what scenario fulfills this Venn diagram is like when you need all the accounts, when you also need all the accounts which have username and user ID null. So if you are seeing this video for the first time and you have like not seen up the inner join video, please go ahead and see that, because in that video we have explained the data set which we are using up over here. So now just to see all the accounts which has user ID and username as null, we will just say right join. So over here we will just say right join and then we will say run, and we will see the accounts like 4 and 7. If we will go ahead and open up the Excel, so if I go ahead and open up the Excel, so I see that these two accounts 4 and 7, 4 and 7 does not have any user ID attached to them. Joy an account having no user. So these two account has actually been closed. We can say something like this. Now there is another Venn diagram which I want you to see is like something like this. You just want all the data which is not present in members, like in the first table, which is T1 and this is T2. So here we do not have members and committees, here we have users and account. So you just want to fetch the first row. So how will you fetch the first row? That is very simple. Like what you will say is like over here, after having group by, we will say having username is null. So this is the statement which you can apply, and then like you will have just those accounts which does not have any username and ID, and that will like represent a Venn diagram which is something like this. This is the Venn diagram which has been represented by this query, and in this is something like which you can even use for right join. And there are a lot of things, other things which you can form up in this case. So this brings this chapter to the close, and like I'm just keeping up this chapter very like short, because we have mostly understood the meaning of joins and they're like how exactly they are used. So in the next chapter we will be discussing on cross join and its usage, and then self join. Thank you guys, have a great day. Please do like and subscribe my channel.